Oh, he's going to get a big branch.
Because it'll be kind of hard on the tree.
Oh.
A couple leaves.
Oh, boy.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, that's a big tree.
Hey, I even brought it for you.
Yeah, good job. Oh, my tree, my prize. Oh, look at that one. Oh, I'm going to taste it. Wow.
Very good.
That's, oh.
Fantastic.
Little boy.
Sorry, that was a bit hard.
Little boy. Little boy. Whoa. Aww. Tickle him with it.
Tickle me. Ow! You get in my eye.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, are you okay? Does it hurt?
Let me see.
Aww. Mom, look at him. Mom, look at him. Look at him. Look at him. He's trying to stand up and he can't.
Get that thing out of my way. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. You're still in your hands.
I'll get you. Oh. Yay. Oh. Yay. Get in there, Charlie. Get in there, buddy. Brian, tell Charlie to come in there. Say, come here, Charlie.
Come here.
Charlie. He's smiling. Look at how he's looking at him. Charlie, let's go in. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Whee! Here I go. You can do it. You can do it. Good job. Good job. I know. I know. What happened? Are you okay? Yeah.
How do I get down? How do I get out?
You're so pretty.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 3, 2, go!
Wow.